Hey guys, today I'm so excited to show you how I turn into Harley Quinn from the Suicide Squad. First, I'm going to start with this waterproof body paint. I was able to apply it really well with a puffy brush, but I'm sure it would work way better with an airbrush, but I just don't own one of those because they can be so costly. What I would note while applying this is that it dries very quickly, so move fast. And don't layer it on too much if you're trying to go for a more transparent application. Also, it dries pretty hard on your brush and kind of makes the bristles stiff, so maybe have two brushes on hand because it applies much better with a soft brush. I always get asked what kind of makeup to wear in hot weather or something that won't rub off so easily. Once it's on, it stays put really well. It didn't leave any residue on my clothes, and it says it's supposed to withstand heat and sweat up to 3 days. And I will add a link to where you can get it in the description, and they have tons of different colors. Next, I do the tedious task of hand drawing on my tattoos. To be honest, I don't recommend anyone do this. It is so time consuming and writing backwards on yourself is not easy. I will add a link in the description to where you can get temporary tattoos that will save you so much time. And I actually used temporary tattoos in my last Harley Quinn tutorial, so you can check that out to see how I apply them. But I still wanted to show this process in case you're in a pinch and don't have any on hand or access to get them in time. First, I just traced out the letters with a black eyeliner pencil. Then I added shadows around them with dark eyeshadow. I cleaned up the edges a bit with a light foundation. Then I lightly dusted over everything with some powder foundation. And I went over the letters with a liquid eyeliner to make them pop. Then I used the black eyeliner again to draw a heart on my cheekbone. Again, there are temporary tattoos available for this also in the description. I also had to hand draw the diamond tattoo around the wrist. Same method, but I just used some smudge-proof liquid lipstick for the red. Now it's time to contour my face. I start by contouring my cheekbones. Then I contour between my eyes and down the sides of my nose. I contour along my jawline as well to make it look square and shorter. After that, I apply shadow to my temples and the outer edge of my eyes. Then I blend everything in with a puffy brush and powder foundation. Next, I set everything with some translucent setting powder. I apply a generous amount of it all over my body and face, but especially over my tattoos. Now I apply a matte deep red lipstick to my lips. Then I fill in my eyebrows with some dark brown eyebrow gel. And I apply dark gray eyeshadow around my eyes. It's kind of like a smoky eye look. Then I blend the edges of the eyeshadow with foundation. Next, I use a waterproof black eyeliner pencil and line my entire waterline. Then I put in my colored contacts. I will add a link to where you can get these in the description. After that, I apply a black liquid eyeliner to really make the eyes pop. Then I curl my lashes and apply a generous amount of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And that's pretty much it for the makeup. So let's put on the wig. First, I put my hair up in 2 wig caps. Then I put on this wig I made. If you want, I will make a tutorial for this as well and link it in the description. And that's pretty much it for this look. Now I'm going to rough things up a little. First, I start by making her eyeshadow look really smudged and messy. All I do is use the eyeshadow and the same dark gray color and blotch it around my eyes. I also make it look like it's running down from the bottom of my eyes. Then I use a brown eyeliner to trace out where I want the blood running from the nosebleed. After that, I add a little more dimension to it with a black liquid eyeliner. I also add some more black eyeliner around my eyes. Then I use this fake drying blood and apply it over the eyeliner running from my nose. I use eyeshadow to make my face look a little more messy. And add some blood to my collarbone and chest. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful or entertaining. I don't think I can explain how much I thoroughly enjoy being this character. I will also be making a tutorial showing you how I made this dress from scratch. And I have other Harley Quinn tutorials on my channel that you can watch, as well as tons of other cosplay makeup and costume tutorials, so feel free to go check those out. I'd love to know what you thought of this video in the comments, and let me know what other characters you'd like to see me do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!